All right, back we go, doing some stock videos. I haven't done videos in some time. It is June, what is it, June 12th? Sunday. Trying to see here. June 12th. Haven't done videos in a while. What's it been, a few months? Took a break from doing that, doing other things, other business activities, and try to do some videos on the weekends, but I've been so busy. So trying to do some right here. The stock market's been down. It's been total downturn. The highs are getting lower and the lows are getting lower. That's the market we're in right now. Total bear market, whether it's technically a bear market or not. It doesn't matter at this point. We're going down, and we're going on further. I think I'll do a video on the SPY, NASDAQ, and Dow Jones. Taking a look at some stocks here. This could be longer term move. ORTX. Let me check this out. Orchard RX. Check this stock out. This stock was almost 22. Went through this deep channel back and forth. Some nice bounces. The last big bounce was back in January. It got up to like 910. Came down. That's very tight wedge. Didn't come out of it. It did come out of it, made a very small move, and then went down with the market. This is going nowhere. So imagine a stock you bought at 22 and it's 57 cents. So let's take a look. Right now on FinViz, 63 million market cap, 46% institutional ownership, which is always good. It's pretty high. Insiders don't own much. It says float here, 81 million. What do they do exactly? They are a biopharmaceutical company, develops gene therapies for serious life and threatening rare diseases. The Kingdom, Europe, United States. They have a lot of products. OTL 101, 103, 201, 105. They have a lot of products. That's very good. You don't want just a company with one product and it fails. Drug fails, then it'll go to 5-10 cents and you're screwed, basically. So this is promising. I'm not reading deep into it, but it looks like they have a lot going on. It was founded in 2015, headquartered in London, United Kingdom. So they have a lot going on. Last news on this, pretty much May 12th, they gave financial results. And nothing since then. We're in June, so nothing going on right now. So on the chart, technically, let's look. 22 down to 57 cents. It can't go much further. I look at, when you get to penny stock land, like 25 cents, 50, 75, $1. So if you're at 25 cents, either you're going much further down and you'll go to the OTC market if it goes below 25. It's possible. Bankruptcy, OTC. I've seen stocks go to 5-10 cents and they go back to $1. So you never know. So 25 is a big line. 50 is that middle line. If you can hold 50 and start to move up, you could get the dollar roll. So looking, from January, this went down. It was $9. 150. Look at this going down 50 cents. Now the last few days, 3-4 days, it's made a nice little move from the low here, 41 cents, 57 cents. If we can get any kind of momentum, maybe the market's going to help a little bit, some sort of bounce. Even a few days, maybe this could roll to $1. I would look for a target on this, immediate target, maybe. It's hard to say. It could happen in literally one day. It could be a few weeks with penny stocks. This could explode up easily. So look for that congestion right here. See this resistance, 125, 150. So look for 1 to 150, this to explode up if we get any kind of move there. And I would look for that to be your target. And right now, 57, 45 cents. You can put your stops. Depends how you play it. So, 45 cents, 10 cent stop here. Maybe you get a 40 cents. The weekly, you can see this. Look at this. Straight down, back and forth. The bounce up. That had huge volume back in that January, 40 million on the weekly. Look at these red candles, though. You have serious red candles here. And again, 20 EMAs over 13 EMA. that is a sign of bearish. It crossed over in May. So it's a totally bearish move. Look at this. Anytime it'll touch that, it could reach it and then bounce back. That's the problem with that. Look at oversold in stochastics. Look how oversold this is, and it's been staying. On the monthly, look at these red candles in the monthly. You have 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, if I counted that right. Right now you have a green showing. So the monthly, you know, 2 to 3, that level. You can see, look at the space in that. This is clearly bearish. Ever since this move up in this IPO 2019, it's been going down, you know, bounces, and then it's been flat. It's at a 126 stochastics. That's extreme oversold. See 20, that's oversold. Yeah, it's really oversold at 20. And then you're getting, this is extreme levels. So you can see here, look at this down, that big bounce up in January, come down again. Showing a sign right now of a green, like it's going to hold that 50, but who knows at this point. Going back to the daily. Yeah, this could be a lottery play. This is a definitely lotto play. See if we can get some sort of roll here. So, you know, that dollar move and 150, that could be a double right there. You're gonna have to play this day by day and watch it if you're watching this stock, if you're, you know, into this stock, because it's a bio, and you know they're very, very crazy how they move. Any good news, this thing could rocket. And yeah, leave any information you have in that stock, because I didn't look deep into it. I'm just looking at technically, really, and information what you think about this stock. Yeah, it could this make a nice run up to that level. Yeah, 150. I would say that would be the immediate start. You know, 75, 150, right in this zone here. Because any stock too has been pushed down. Like I said, either it's going to go bankrupt, go to the OTC market. Maybe they do a split too, raise cash, or you know, it's eventually going to try to move up a little bit here and get some momentum. So we'll see on this on Orchard Therapeutics. We will see what happens with this. Looking in stock splits, anyone talking about this? I'm reading FDA approval for Blue. Yeah, Blue. That was another stock made a move. Let's see, filing. So we'll see what happens on this. So if you're playing this again, look for that 75 to $1, 125 level. If you're even swinging it, you want to take a chance and swing it at this point. You know, it could go, could go lower. That's the thing. It could go to 25 cents. Who knows? You know, when we had these market moves in COVID, you know, stocks went lower and lower and lower for that 3 months pretty much. And we'll see what happens here. Remember, it's your own risk. These are just, I'm doing these videos, pure technical analysis, pretty much, opinion, you know, looking for entry points, looking for any edge in some of these stocks. You know, of course, it's at your own risk. Be smart with your money. You know, the way things are going in crypto, people lose a lot of money, like NFTs. There's so many scams. Like, you got to use your own head. Don't just follow someone. Oh, he said this, I'll just jump in. Anytime anyone does anything to like technical charts, you have to understand what I'm talking about. It's like anything in life. You're risking your 401k. It's like risk reward. You know, when a stock's up here at 21 and it's back to 57 cents, is that a good risk reward at this point? Of course, because it went down, you know, $21, and it could keep going down because the market. But you know, you're looking for moves like in January, just, you know, held at 4 and moved to 9. It was a double. It was a double on that. So we'll see what happens here. And if you get any kind of good news, this could pop. So we'll see on ORTX, Orchard Therapeutics. You know, we'll see what happens. Maybe this could move in a week, maybe 2 weeks, maybe a month. We'll see how they push it here. Yeah, any kind of momentum too in penny stocks. Once you're at that 50 level, that's a key level. If you can get up there, you'll probably get a 1. If you're at 50 cents, you start falling, you'll probably get a quarter most of the time. That's how it works here. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Leave any comments on stocks. If you want to add me on your social media, I put the links below. And that's it. Peace.